Next up, there's dropshipping. Unlike a typical e-commerce business where you're responsible for stocking and delivering products to your customers, dropshipping allows you to do everything remotely online. Here's how it works. Again, you generate traffic using free and paid methods. You direct the traffic to your website that sells a variety of products, or you can also list your products directly on Amazon and eBay. When a sale is made, you collect the payment and you place the order from a wholesaler or supplier and change the shipping address to your customer's name and address. And they in turn will deliver the product directly to your customer. Your profit is made from the retail price, minus the cost of the supplier, minus the cost of your ad spend and listing fee. So if you sold a product for $10 and the wholesale price is $5 and the ad spend or listing fee is $2, then your total profit is $3. If a particular product sells well, you can bulk buy that product to reduce the unit price and increase your profit. Again, you generate traffic using free and paid methods. You direct the traffic to your website or Amazon or eBay listing, except this time you bulk buy your products in advance and have them ship your products to a fulfillment center that handles storage and delivery on your behalf. So now when a sale is made, a system will automatically notify the fulfillment center to deliver an order to your customer's address, and the customer will receive the product as they normally would. The only difference is now you've increased your profit. So if your product sells for $10 and the wholesale price is $3 and the ad spend or listing fee is $2, then your total profit is $5. Here's a summary of why this works so well. You profit by sourcing the products cheap on sites like AliExpress and selling them for a higher price on your own website or third-party shopping site like Amazon or eBay. You don't need to stock products in a warehouse, hire staff, package them, or deliver them to your customers, or even handle support. Third-party solutions like Amazon FBA will store and deliver products to your customers for you and even handle support and returns. You can create your own shopping site quickly and easily with tools like Shopify, so there's no need to be a great web designer. Your expenses are in sourcing products, setting up and running paid ads, and product listing fees. You can, however, use free traffic, but you will need to rank for a specific buyer keyword, which can take time. Therefore, the difficulty level is medium to hard, as it requires some knowledge of setting up automation systems and running, tracking and optimizing paid ads. If you like this video, then don't forget to share, like and subscribe. And if you want to learn more, then grab your free online starter pack from the link below. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.